Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Scott from betterlifehacks.com. In this video, I'm gonna talk about why you should have fewer friends. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. And make sure you give me a thumb up. And if you enjoyed the video, you can visit the resources section below, and get the free report, guide we recommend, and subscribe to stay updated. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. The results of an Oxford University study revealed that, when it comes to sustaining friendships, women need to get on the phone, and men need to get down to the pub. But frankly, is this really a bad thing? Do we really need to spend all our time, tending to friendships like hungry houseplants? What's wrong with generally moving on with your life, and culling the dead wood? In general, smart people have fewer friends. They realize the importance of having real friends, and they value those friendships deeply. Yes, the smarter you are, the fewer friends you have. The realer you are, the fewer friends you have. Here's why. Reason 1. You can see through people. Having an above-average intelligence means that you easily detect people with a try-hard persona, and you tend to keep your distance from them. You simply refuse to get involved with people like that, just for the sake of popularity. You feel like they are social climbers, and they aren't worthy of your time. Reason 2. It ultimately saves you lots of money. For all that is great value about money-saving experts, they very often miss the most basic money-draining scams. Birthdays, stag do's, weekends away, parties. If you want a cheaper way to get through wedding season, be less popular. If you want to have more money in your bank, get culling. That way you'll have at least $12,000 more a year to spend on poetry, writing courses, and tables for one. Reason 3. You talk less and listen more. You find yourself sitting back observing the norms of today, the constant posting on social media, backstabbing, unloyalty partners, and disrespectful behavior. It puts you off, because you're far more mature. You see more to life. You believe in radiating the energy you want to be around. You are humble and encouraging to all, but you don't put your time and trust into people who don't deserve it. Reason 4. You don't fear missing out. You try to keep up with what everyone's up to, but you don't enjoy engaging in senseless conversations. You don't really care about the latest trends, and you don't have much interest in materialistic things either. Because you're quite content doing your own thing, you don't have a fear of missing out. Reason 5. You don't get involved in drama. You don't thrive off it like others do. Family is more important to you. You would rather watch an episode with your sister than go to a bar with the girls. The unnecessary drama that comes with a night out is exactly what you avoid, because you know you'll regret it when they instantly put you in a bad mood. You prefer doing things according to your own will. Reason 6. You don't have to invest in too many other people's doomed relationships. If you take on a new friendship, you're not just adding one extra person to your life, you're adding a small tribe. Their other half, the other half after that one, perhaps a few more other halves, possibly some of their old friends from home. Save yourself the turmoil of having to constantly predict how many kisses someone will require as a greeting. Keep yourself to yourself. Reason 7. You don't need to prove your worth. You are independent and strong. You're grateful for the little things, and you're quite content with what you've got. Because you can support yourself, you don't rely on others, and there's no need for you to prove your worth to anyone. Reason 8. You're an old soul, so you have visions for the future. You feel uncomfortable telling your dreams to small-minded people. You work hard to achieve your goals, and you don't have time for setbacks. While others are trying to plan their night out at the club, you're grinding. You see more than just going to a club, you see a life you want to chase. Your focus is different. Your time is being invested on growth. You don't expect people to understand what you're up to. Eventually, they'll see. Reason 9. You get to stick to a simple, familiar routine. The world is massive, it's buzzing with people, and full of opportunities, which you're absolutely right, is far too daunting for any sane person to deal with. So, do the right thing. Find your select group, find something you enjoy doing together, and then do that on loop, without once deviating into unknown waters. Because do you know what's in unknown waters? Sharks. And skeletons of people eaten by sharks. Reason 10. You focus on your goals. You feel uncomfortable sharing your dreams and visions with narrow-minded people. You work hard to achieve your goals, and you don't have time for setbacks, so spontaneity is pretty much out of your vocabulary. Because of this, people tend to think that you're uptight, but in reality you are just focusing on your goals. And that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in as always. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, if you found this video even a little bit useful. Your support means a lot, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you soon.